everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about cooking. I'm going to be showing you how I make white rice with pinto beans and chicken and sweet plantains, which in Spanish we say arroz blanco con habichuela, pollo y plátano maduro. So I want to show you how I make it my way. I don't measure the food, I just do it how I learned, how my mom showed me, and I really hope this motivates somebody and helps you learn something new, a new recipe, I don't know. And let's get to the cooking. So for this receta or recipe, you will need pinto beans, crushed tomato, green peppers, onions, garlic, sweet plantains, and your chicken. My chicken is already seasoned, but you could add whichever season or taste that you like. So to season my chicken, what I do, I grab a blender, I throw some green peppers, onions, garlic, cilantro, salt and pepper to taste, and I also throw some garlic powder and some Maggi powder. They sell that at Walmart. And I just blend it with water and just put it on my chicken. So the next thing I do, I get my cooking pot or my olla ready and I turn the temperature all the way high. Alright, so for this you definitely gotta turn on your kitchen vent because it's going to be some smoke. Okay, so my little trick to give the chicken color is I'm going to be putting some olive oil and I'm going to be adding to that some brown sugar and wait until it burns.
A paradise is there to be taken. We got it grinding, waiting for vacation. Hit that destination, party on the beach is different.
Okay, so once the brown sugar is that color that is already burning, you go ahead and add your chicken.
24 hours in the dark, so we won't be locked. Sipping by the sands, catching waves in the bed. It's an honor to be with you, baby.
Whenever you're cooking, make sure you're always holding your cooking pot. I should have did that here, but I couldn't because I was cooking with one hand and recording with the other one, but it could be dangerous.
It was meant to be. Together chasing paradise, making you for life, never ending journey, please. Yes, please, sign me up. Sunny's at the door, I tell him line it up.
So now on to the next. I love adding whatever leftover of the seasoning water that I get. And after that, I'm just gonna add water all the way to like the top of the chicken. You'll see. Okay, so this is the crushed tomato that I was telling you guys about. All I do is I just put it on top of my chicken, and right after that, I'm just gonna cover my cooking pot on my olla. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna leave my temperature on high because I have to wait until the chicken starts boiling to be able to lower the temperature. Alright, now my chicken is boiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and lower my temperature. Okay, lo que sigue, which is up next, I'm going to be making my sofrito with my garlic, my green peppers, and my onions.
map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see.
I like adding half of a little package of this sazon Goya with cilantro and achiote.
Just to see you, I've been sleeping alone. I don't wanna let go.
This is the olla I will be using for my pinto beans, and I'm gonna put the temperature on medium low.
I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting.
I add a little bit of olive oil to cook my sofrito.
Up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far.
Okay, right here I'm also adding some crushed tomato to make it like a little bit like a tomato sauce kind of thing for my sofrito. Next we just add our pinto beans, and if you see that it looks a little bit dry like how it looks here, just add a little bit of water.
Forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you.
Once I'm done mixing all of my ingredients, I go ahead and put the temperature high. To season my beans, I will be using Maggi powder, sea salt, oregano, and some garlic powder. Notice that my beans needed a little bit more flavor, so I just added a little bit of sea salt. When my beans are boiling, I go ahead and lower my temperature so that they don't get burned.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same.
When you see that the beans look like this, that the liquid looks heavy, that's when you know it's ready.
We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go.
A little tip that I have in order to keep my kitchen clean and to be able to focus while I'm cooking, I gotta clean as I go. Every time I dirty something, if I have the chance, I go ahead and clean it.
What happened? What did he do to you?
Okay, so up next, we're gonna go ahead and peel my plátano maduros, my sweet plantains, and I'm gonna show you guys how I cut them and how I fry them.
Miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call all your bluffs, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth a try.
Once I'm done doing that, I get my frying pan ready with some olive oil and I put the temperature on high. Once you see the oil's ready, make sure you lower your temperature and just go ahead and fry your maduros.
Break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways. Break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try.
So the last thing I like to make is the rice, because I'm gonna make it in a rice cooker because it cooks fast, so I leave it for last. And then the first thing I do too is I clean it. Make sure you clean it good because sometimes it's dirty. And I'm just going to add water, no salt or oil, just water. Alright, so food is all done. The rice is finished, the beans are done, chicken is finished. So once your chicken looks like this, the water, that's how you know it's ready. I just throw some oregano and some garlic on top of it. And that's the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe with me. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Adios.